Guys, I'm finally getting the couch into the house. It's been a while. Alright guys, so this is our food setup. We got our popcorn right here. We have our juice station. So this is the adult juice and that is our apple juice for the kids. We got our hot dog and then we have nuggets, chicken nuggets. The carry's been digging into this kind, so we have to take too long, so I'm gonna feed himself, and the fries, okay? And this is our hot tub. Did you just catch him?
What did he do? He got the food.
He's under the nuggets.
Alright, we can switch the light off.
Yeah, so wait, let me show them the setup. So underneath the tent, we got our hot tub. Let me show them the hot tub. Good. Got our hot tub down, and we have our projector. And then we got hubby. Listen, I don't know if you guys can see, but I am sweating. Today was brutal. When he came to heat, him just wipe off. That's why I don't see my drip with water, because I'm sweat heavier than me. Right? So the place is so hot and it is in the night, but we are going to make use of our hot tub and we are going to be outside enjoying ourselves. Adrian, let them know what we're gonna how we are going to enjoy ourselves outside now. Apart from the hot tub, what else we are going to do?
Alright, so we have a movie night, guys. Let me switch this off so you guys can see. Alright. We got a projector. Alright. Yep. So we got our X-Gotti projector right here. Alright, and we're gonna talk more about the features in a minute. Alright. Yep, so
I just eat off the food, don't it?
Yeah, laugh. Jaden serious here, because you're eating and Jaden share. And that's what he's defending, right Jaden? Alright, so
here we go.
Come on guys.
So
wherever a movie on or kids have been asking for a movie night, so this is it, right?
You like the feel of the water, Kyrie?
Yeah.
You like it? You want to go inside?
No.
A resounding no. You don't want to go inside the water? Why you don't want to go inside the water, Kyrie?
Because I don't watch the movie.
But we can watch a movie from inside the water. So you ready, Jaden? Yeah. You ready like Freddy? Alright. Let's go, guys. Can't wait for digging for this food here. Alright, can make plenty of food. Can't wait for digging.
Yeah,
alright.
It was a wolf or a dog.
Yep.
You want to go in now? Let's go in. Put that down, please.
It's a wonder door.
Feel it.
Right.
Something.
Where is it?
Come over here. Let me show you something. Press this button.
Our fun movie night, guys, is brought to you by X-Gotti. They are the manufacturers of this sweet, this powerful, smart projector. Alright, so it's a Gimbal 5. This is awesome for any situation, including ours at the moment. We're in the backyard. We are away from any connections. We just connect via Wi-Fi. It is smart, so it has Netflix, YouTube. It's powered by Android 11, so you can always go onto the App Store and download your favorite streaming apps. It's amazing. It also has an HDMI connection, so if you want to use it inside the house, to connect to your Xbox, your PlayStation 5, that's an option. If you want to connect it to the cable, to your cable box, you can do that as well via this HDMI connection. It is Bluetooth, so as you would have noticed in this video, we've hooked it up to our Bluetooth speaker, so you get that rich, powerful surround sound. It also has a built-in speaker as well, so if you want something a little bit more quiet, it has that mode as well to connect to the speaker, and it's very audible. It also comes with a headphone jack, so you can be even that much more private. X-Gotti portable smart projector, guys. Link in the description box. This is a must-have.
Press that button. Come.
I'm afraid of the bubbles, you know. I'm afraid of the sound.
Afraid of the bubbles?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Feel it, Kyrie.
Feel it.
It's fun. It's fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fun, Kyrie. It's fun.
Woo. Come on. Come on, sit.
You're gonna sit and watch the movie, Kyrie?
At the movie? See the movie? You want fries?
I don't think so. I don't think about it.
This is my portion right here. It's good. Alright, Kyrie, let's get you some nuggets, alright?
Get parties and cake. Look, I don't need presents. I don't want decorations. I'm not a cake guy. Seriously, though, you don't like cake? Name one food better than cake. Guinea pig. Oh, again, with the guinea pig. If I blindfolded you, you wouldn't be able to tell the difference between the skunk.
Guys, I'm finally getting the couch into the house. It's been a while. Hey guys, so we finally have our couch up into the house. Why struggle? But I struggled a while ago.
Heavy man, heavy man. Please. Heavy.
But
Yeah.
finally have the coach here. I'm kind of excited. I'm really excited.
Yeah.
Really excited.
See the old one here?
Yeah.
We're getting rid of it now. You get me, I say? Oftentimes, you know, in starting Airbnb, when we started back in, 2019, sometimes everything now is perfect. You get me, I say? This couch was a hand-me-down couch. Literally, my mother gave me that couch here. You get me, I say? She did have it, and we did just reupholster it. You get me, I say? Reupholster it, make it look new. But because of that, every time you can buy everything brand new from scratch. You get me, I say? So that's how we do it. So after 5 years, the couch has served well. You get me?
Yeah.
You know, so after 5 years now, we're able to replace it.
Yeah.
You know?
It has
So,
served us well.
It go on, but we're not throw it away. Because
Yeah.
it still have use. So
Yeah, man.
it's a good couch. So we're gonna reupholster it again and
Yeah.
make it
Different
have
space.
other use, right?
It's in a different space.
we're gonna get this out now. And why else we're gonna be? Oh, by the way, peeps, see the blinds here?
Yeah.
See the blinds here? We just install, see them, see that?
Yeah.
Here? I you know.
And I'm excited to show you guys the color of the couch as well. Oh, and we're also doing work on our door as well. This is long awaited.
Yeah.
So we have Ian here.
Yeah, man. So Ian,
Hi guys.
yeah, man. Ian is a friend of the channel from a long time. You get me? I say he's the one that supply all our with smart lock solutions. You get me? I say Ian sells smart locks, different types.
Different types of smart locks.
You know, some various types, various budget. You get me? I say tell me the name of your company.
Techno Digital Links. You can
Yeah.
find me on Instagram.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm trying to prepare a YouTube channel.
Right,
so
right. And what YouTube channel name?
Not yet.
You know, not come yet.
No.
Alright, we're gonna put the name of the
As
channel
soon as, yeah, we get
in
to
the
know.
description. I'll put it in the description, guys. So, and we'll probably put it on the see the name of the channel right here. So by the time we're ready for edit and put up this video, it would already come up with a YouTube channel. But Techno Digital Links on Instagram, and we're gonna put him phone number as well in the description, so you can reach out to him. So
Right.
what kind of smart lock you have for me today?
So right now we have HIFA
Yes.
A01.
Yes.
Very, very unique type of lock. It's very decent.
All right.
You know?
Yeah.
The material.
Fingerprint.
You feel
So what are the features? Tell me the features.
So it have fingerprint. Key code.
Yeah, the,
It have a-
what, the NFC card.
yeah,
NFC.
it
Right.
have IC card also.
Yes.
And it have a hard key,
Yeah.
so you can just pop out
Oh, you
right
flip
here,
it that way there. Okay.
and you access the hard key.
Okay. Okay. All
So
right.
still cover it, and nobody
Yeah.
know that there's a
Right.
And the touchpad.
and the
Yes.
touchpad is right here. Fingerprint.
Yeah.
And the
Nice.
card goes right here.
You
Yeah.
touch it up top. They touch the card.
Yeah. No,
Okay.
the card still touch here.
Okay,
Okay,
okay, okay. All right. Yeah, so we're now, so we normally use this physical lockbox for the key, you know, but for a long time we've been wanting to upgrade that, so we finally now able to, and we are also replacing a smart lock at another listing. We're gonna go there right after this. All right, guys, so we're gonna allow Ian to go and do his installation, all right, while we set up this couch. You get me, I say? Yeah, man. So I'll get cracking with that. I'll take this out. Let's take this out.
You guys, this chair is so heavy. It can really struggle. Thank God him get it to help. Alright, so we're pulling it out now.
Alright. So this is a sectional. These are the cushions that normally vacuum seal them. That's why I call it, so it shrinks.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. These look like what? Covers?
Yeah.
Covers.
That one that
That's
comes with spring, it looks like.
Oh, so look like,
Big spring, so it's different.
yeah. That's why it was so heavy, huh? And this have spring in it too. This have spring in it.
Yeah. Looking for the manual.
Yeah.
These are the legs.
Yeah.
So this is an L-shaped sectional. So the leg, so I want to leg them. Alright. Rubber. And then it screws down to this.
Yeah.
Alright. You shall walk with me screwdriver now.
Oh, hopefully it have screwdriver in it. Sometimes when these coats come, guys, we realize that we've done quite a couple of these assemblies. After the time they come with screwdrivers in them. So we're just taking out these pieces. So all them here have spring in it, or just form out. Them here, this heavy now, guys. Them are heavy now. That's why the coat is heavy, very popular. And them different parts here heavy. When it pulls out now, it's a go. No manual.
If them have only lettering and labeling, F and I and this and that.
There must be a manual inside then. Wonder wait there.
I'm not in a hardware either. Unless they have one of them container here.
Make a look. Let's see. Found it.
Alright, so
A lot of screws.
manual and screw and everything. Let me see what kind of screw them here.
Some
All in key.
some really long screws.
Yeah?
Oh, but there is no screwdriver, so you
No,
have to get your own.
you need screwdriver because all in key.
Oh, okay.
All in key. So we're good. We don't need, and them have thumb screw too. And all. So we figure it out, guys. We're gonna get cracking right now.
Yeah.
See it here, unpacked. We love the color. Color out there, guys. Look at it. Nice.
And this feels so fluffy, and I'm telling you, Adrian really struggled. When I tell you say Adrian struggled, Adrian doesn't normally struggle. And when I saw Adrian putting it up on the car, I was like, oh, shit, you want me to help you? I mean,
Every man.
You know?
So yeah, it looks good. Quality looks good so far. So we'll get cracking now, guys.
alright, L-shaped sectional.
Okay, so we can organize it. So see here. So we can organize it according to these and then we fit it together.
Yeah.
All right.
Guys, the amount of them something we install over the years, we kind of get a little bit proficient in that, you know what I mean? Especially Adrian. Adrian go for manual, you know, so when you reach the manual, you know. You gotta be watching our videos long enough, you know, the Adrian is not really in the manual thing. But you realize that some of them just need to use a manual, you know?
Yeah, you have to figure out what they want, how they want it.
Exactly. You have to something. So guys, this is where we are right now. The legs are on and the two sides are on, like I see right here.
The arm and the armrest.
Yeah, the armrest. That's right. The armrest is on right now. And it's been smooth so far, what do you say?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
So now I'll put on the center nut and bolt. No.
Yeah, you're gonna join the piece that joins the both, the big pieces together. Okay guys, so this is where we are now. We're at the back section. This was pretty easy. I think it's a combination of it being easy to follow and we just being experienced. Right, Adrian?
Yep.
So you just gonna screw on that.
Please say I'll keep the rest of them watch.
Sure. There you go. Alright guys, see there the master putter upper, master installer of the Delpratt family. Yeah.
Alright, so this is Z.
There, backs are
This
on.
is Z that come around back here so. Right?
That's covering the back.
So this from so I think
Looks about right.
alright. Yeah. Yeah.
The material, the texture right here is like something where you can wipe off. You can wipe out, you know? Like that. And this feels pretty sturdy. The spring in the middle. This is board. Oh, okay. Let me help you. Yeah, that is it. That is it. N. It's a tell us for N today. But I ordered this, babe.
Which part N? What do you mean?
Right. Oh, I said.
No, there's
Oh, I
nothing
said.
on this thing, yeah.
Oh, okay. You have the little something there at the bottom.
I know.
Velcro.
Tear off.
Bust out. Supposed to a gentleman car in your back.
Hi guys. You got for myself. On the phone?
Yeah. Val's kitchen in the house, you know? Yeah. Alright, so see where we are so far. We screw the back and then me slide in. It's a really nice material. I love it. Yeah.
Blue is my favorite color, so you don't like it.
Yep. Alright. Come on, it's pretty material this. Yeah, I'll tear up all of them. Just get tearing. Get cracking.
I think I'll take a few, right?
It's easy to tear, you know. Just pop it.
Yeah, we now pop it. Yeah. Yep, this is the cushion from the bottom. Very thick. Come and feel it again.
Flush it.
It wet? That it wet? The water drink cut it? Very thick. And you know it have spring in it. My phone?
Am I going to drop?
Hello? So,
Yeah, man. Oh, yeah.
is that a different color?
So when this food just come up.
Yeah, it does spring out. Hey, them, whatever suction them use to suction them something here, are the real deal suction here. And here touch it, it does.
Here's like, you can check the pedals blow. Just come up.
It already does expand out. And it feels so firm after I come out.
Wow. Everything there. Where am I going now?
Instant, eh?
What word?
See it here? See it here? I want to think. I want to think, guys. See it there? Alright, you like it? You like it?
It's nice.
I just want a piece of bowl side table or something bowl for just go
We already have this start things.
Yeah.
We have a couple bowl in place. Bowl of pasta with blue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know?
I have
Yeah.
one. So we're gonna, you know, we are do this kind of hurry because to be honest, this is now check-in time. So we have to just
Hurry up,
hurry
huh?
and clean up
Yeah.
so that our guests can come and you know and enjoy the space. But
Yeah.
yeah, we're gonna start it out and see some more.
So now we have the blinds. We drop in the blinds. Right. We drop in the blinds. We have a couch.
What do you think?
Drop two grey cushion like a Benz. Like a two broad body Benz, you drop.
Great cushion tonight. What do you think?
I like this. So far, I think that this can definitely still be an
It can
accessory.
stay.
Yeah. But I like that.
The blue can go back in them, man. The blue them can go back in.
Do them?
Yeah. Even though them kinda them older now. Yeah. Do them time. But yeah. Yeah, good. Yeah man, it match back this. Yeah. Yeah man. So what going on with you now? You power up?
Yeah, ready for you?
You ready for the phone?
Yeah, but I want to can't up
A TT lock? Or what app this work with?
TT.
Oh man, inside the app there. Come on, what you say, babe? What you say?
First time when we did put on the handles, like the side,
Yeah.
the side, it never did look the way how I saw it on the internet. I was like, no sir,
Yeah, that.
I never used to buy it, it's supposed to look. So I was kind of a disappointed feeling, but then Adrian figured it out.
And guess what guys, so this couch is nice because you can flip this round the other way. Now this piece, the L can go left or right hand. It can go left or right hand. So if we wanted, we could have put this over that side.
Yeah.
But
But now we're going
we can, yeah. So that again, go again, what you said?
But now we're gonna leave it kind of like closing off this cushion area for now.
Yeah.
But in the future, we will be opening up the space and we'll put over this side, and then we're gonna put another piece of seating
Accent chair,
area,
like an accent chair or something.
chair. right there. So when we're gonna do that, we're gonna move this over here so the space open up more to accept that.
Yeah.
But for now, I think it's good.
Yep.
And it's cozy, can
It's bigger and nicer.
yeah.
Nicer, yeah. You're bossy.
I like it.
You're bossy, man. You're bossy. You have post for the thumbnail. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, so the new lock here, guys.
Sorry.
So the new lock here. Alright. Yeah. And the couch. And plus the blinds.
Yeah, tell us how you like the new look, guys. Tell us how you like the new look. I like it. I really like it. I love how the blinds are. I love how simple the blinds are. They just simply pull, and push, pull and push, pull and push. From the middle upward, not the side, but from the middle. Once you catch it in the middle, you pull and push, it just slides up and comes down. I love the new couch. It looks that nice. I've been pestering the agent about this couch. When no others dream and hear me and ask what a couch.
From when I have it put in the living room, guys, about month at the end of the living room.
Oh guys, remember, we are also into real estate. So we are licensed real estate associates. So if you do want a property to rent, to buy or sell, we are the family that you need to get in contact with. Our information is running along the screen or can be found in the description box below. So check out the Delpratt family, alright? Send us an email or give us a call.
And remember, our Airbnb listings, guys. Right? Our Airbnb listings are linked in the description box, so check it out.
Yes.
Alright?